Hey everybody, today we're making a bee swarm vid with John. Yep, hi YouTube. Right, so yeah, today we're gonna be playing some bee swarm and all that stuff. So just gonna be a normal playthrough of bee swarm. Tonight, welcome to his VIP. Yeah, we're playing his VIP server, which is great because there's no annoying people running all around. Alright. I'm gonna go wee. Okay. If you didn't see, last time in the bee swarm with friends, that was a while back, I unlocked the 30 bee zone. Yeah, that's cool. And I got on it. And then there's, of course, the honey jar. No, yeah, we don't have any more sprouts. John's trying to get oil so he can get the honey mask. So yeah, that's really cool. So, alright, I'm gonna collect some pollen. Oh, wait. How much honey? Oh my gosh, I have a lot of honey. Oh, wow. Wow, how do I have so much honey? I don't know how I got that much. Alright. Pineapple patch. Alright, not bad. Just a pineapple patch. I really want to get... I'm going to spend all of this... Should I spend all of this honey on it? I think I am. Yep, I'm going to spend my honey on it. I'm going to spend all my 28 mil. Dude. Boom. This is 28. SS 28. Hug. I'm gonna do it. Alright. Well, here we go. Boom. How much did we get? So this one we're gonna just be getting bees. 52! Okay, 52. That is good. That's good. Alright. Oh! Oh. Oh, hi, TMZ. Oh, hi, TMZ. TMZ. Oh wow, a lot of my bees have mutations. Since last time you guys saw me. Alright, I'm gonna put on my gifted looker bee because I don't need it. We're just gonna be getting some bees and see who we get. Please be a good bee. I want it to be a good bee. What if I got a legendary? Shy bee. What if I got a mythic? Oh, no mythic. I still can't get a mythic. It's really hard to get mythic. Bravery, stubborn, exhausted, Riley, stubborn, humble. I should get a gifted ninja bee. Right. Didn't get it. Well. Yeah, alright. we're going to go and try and get... Ooh, I need more moon charms. I need more moon charms. Alright. Where are we going? We're going up to the top. We're going up to the top. Going up. Oh! Wendy Bee! Coming. Oh my gosh, Wendy Bee. I see you. Oh, where's Wendy Bee? He's doing the rose. It's Wendy Bee. Oh no. Oh no. So much chaos. Too much chaos. Too much chaos. Ow. Ow. Ouch. Hey, where'd he go? Oh, he's in there. Okay. Alright. We're doing a Wendy Bee chase. Chasing down Wendy Bee. Ow. Alright. Alright, well. Bye guys, I'll see you in another vid. Oh, by the way, Joshua episode 3 and a brand new series that will be coming out. The sneak peek of the series will be coming. Bye, YT. Okay. Bye guys.